Hello, welcome to Microeconomics with Ntato. Given this production table, let's fill in the gaps. In this table, we're given units of labor from 0 to 6. We're given total output, marginal product, and average product, and we have gaps to fill. Let's do just that. So when labor is 0, there is no total output, no marginal product or average product. When labor is 1, we are given total output of 225. We need to find the marginal product and the average product, and the equation for marginal product is equals to change in total output divided by change in labor. Change in total output is 225 less 0 divided by 1 less 0, so it's 225 divided by 1, so it's 225. And the equation for average product is equal to total output divided by labor. Total output we given it's 225, labor it's 1, so it's 225 by 1, it's 225. When labor is 2, we given average product. When you are given average product, it's equals to total output divided by labor. To get total output, you multiply average product by labor. So we say 300 times 2 equals to 600, and we know that to get our marginal product we say 600 less 225, and that gives us 375 divided by 1, and that is divided by 1 because labor is increasing in increments of 1, so that is 375. So when labor is 3, we given marginal product of 300. Remember, marginal product is the additional output produced by the third labor. So to get to total output, all we do is we add 600 and 300, and that gives us 900. And you can double check yourself. To get to marginal product, you just say 900 less 600, it gives us 300. And to get to average product, it's total output divided by labor, which gives us 300. When labor is 4, we given total output of 1140. We need to calculate marginal product, which is 1140 less 900. And that gives us 240. Of course, we divide that by 1 because the change in labor is 1. And average product is total output divided by labor, which is 1140 divided by 4. That gives us 285. When labor is 5, we given marginal product. Remember, the marginal product is the 225 additional output produced by the fifth labor. So to get to total output, all we do is we add 1140 and 225, and that gives us 1365. And average product is total output divided by 5, giving us 273. And labor 6, we given 225. To get total output, remember it's average product times labor, 225 times 6, it gives us 1350. And the marginal product is 1350 less 1365 divided by a change in labor, which is 1. 1350 less 1365 is negative 15. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this and you understand how to calculate production exercise when you're given gaps. Please remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Bye.